Welcome. If you're looking to block images and Discord direct messages from others on mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you want more privacy or just want to avoid unexpected media, Discord's latest updates make it easier than ever to control what you see in your DMs. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you block images from people you don't know, all from your mobile device. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon to access your account settings. Inside your settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Content and Social. Tap on it to open up more privacy and content controls. This section is where you'll find all the tools to manage what kind of media and messages you receive. Next, look for the setting called Direct Messages from Others. This is the control that determines how Discord handles images and other media sent from users who aren't on your friends list. Tap on this option to see the available choices. Here, you'll see several settings for how Discord manages media in your DMs. To block images from people you don't know, select the Block option. This tells Discord to automatically block any sensitive media, including images, that are sent to you from non-friends. With this setting enabled, Discord will prevent these images from appearing in your direct messages, keeping your inbox clean and safe. Remember, this setting only applies to direct messages from people who aren't on your friends list. Friends can still send you images unless you adjust those settings separately. If you ever want to review or change this preference, just follow these steps again. And that's it. You've now taken control over who can send you images in Discord DMs on mobile. Stay safe and enjoy a more comfortable chat experience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your Discord privacy.